Middle East market will plays a very important role internationally.
The customers of us were very pleased. I was very pleased. So overall, it was a good show.
ADNEC can serve as a good network where most of the industries and the academics all meet together.
Having the presentations is a very good icebreaker so that you can understand what their topics are, get some more information. You can then have a follow-up discussion, so I've really enjoyed my time here.
AM Conclave now is probably the only event for additive in Abu Dhabi.
This isn't just an event, it's an experience. And if you're not here next year, you're missing out on the future.